Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a new friend on KakaoTalk, the super popular messaging app from South Korea. Whether you are connecting with someone or looking to meet new friend, I will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Then open your Kakao application and make sure you are already logged into your account. To add friends, we have many options such as adding friend by phone number or using Kakao ID or scanning your friend's QR code or using Kakao's Find Friend features. The easiest way to add a new friend is just tap onto the Invite Friends to Kakao Talk and you can simply tap on the given options and send your friend request. The next option would be tapping on the search icon. In the search bar, you have to type in your friend's name or ID, click on the profile and tap on Join Chat. And that's it. Now you know how to make new friends on KakaoTalk. Whether it's syncing contact, using Kakao's IDs, or exploring open chats, there are so many ways to connect with others on this amazing app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.